Today is the 29th of June 2024. We have delivered this beautiful Fj43 to our friend who came all the way from Ohio. Evan Proch. He's visiting here and he came to pick up his own custom design vehicle. Mr. Proch, what do you think about your Fj43?
So from the first time I saw it, I was blown away, driving it blown away, and extremely grateful for this trip that you allowed me to come on, pick up my baby, drive my baby, see the beautiful countryside in Colombia. So I'm extremely thrilled to get it back home. I wish I could ship it back now or fly it back, but in due time, right?
Thank you, Mr. Proch.
No, thank you, George.
We're happy.
FJ
We're
Classics.
happy to have you here. FJ Classics welcomes and thanks you very much for your visit.